Oh, what do we have here? Today we have Waffle House goes from 0 to 100 in an instant. Thank you guys for tuning in. And without further ado, let's get it.
2023. Officers were dispatched to a Waffle House in Sanford, Florida.
Oh shit!
After reports
They got a
of
Waffle
a fight
House
breaking
brawl
out between multiple individuals.
What's she running in there for? Oh shit! It's a whole brawl.
Give me my phone, though. You have my phone. Bro, you have my phone. I need my phone.
Now, why y'all fighting at Waffle House? Ain't nothing at Waffle House that good for y'all to be fighting. You literally can make this at home. Like, I could go behind the Waffle House and just start whipping this up. You hear me? Ain't nothing at Waffle House this good, bro.
Hey, go outside, I get y'all phone.
Just a bunch of young Tatianas in a step dyke.
Go outside
for their arrest you.
When you can see they draws, just know they don't give a fuck about nothing.
Just go outside. Just chill. Like these people.
Ooh, I know it smell like burnt lace fronts and tuna tartare. Oh. Uh-oh. They got the whole squad in this motherfucker. What, they shooting a music video or something? Look, the one Asian guy that's always with nothing but black people. Nunu about to get it in. Y'all better leave her alone. You talking to a cop. Yo, why is they so deep in this motherfucker? This gotta be in the hood, shorty. Oh. Oh, you going to jail. You definitely tripping.
You tripping on me, ho. You got my hair. Damn.
I thought this lady just walked out. She got a twin? What the hell they all in the back for? Oh shit. Oh, you gonna break that, sir? You need to get your ass down. You know better than that.
Oh, y'all, let's go. They need to pay? They don't care.
Your shit done.
Just go. They don't care for paying. Just go. Take the food with you.
No. You usually get your food first and then you pay for it. Somebody lying. Not they having a party at Waffle House. I ain't never seen. If I see a Waffle House this deep, I'm leaving. I'm taking my ass home because I already know what time it's finna be. I do not like being in crowded areas or crowds, period. You hear me? Man, y'all better stop playing with these cops. Damn. Yammy Tammy from Miami. Shit. Her face wasn't all that, but that ass is. Lord have mercy, Jesus. That's cap. You don't pay for your food at Waffle House first. You pay for it at the end. Okay. Unless you're getting a to-go order.
Oh, please don't push me.
Because we get the fight again, we got to get it throwing people out physically. All right, bro. How many more people you got coming?
Everybody. Hey, Waffle House is closed. Everybody outside. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Head to the door. Head to the door.
No, good luck moving his big ass. That's a big boy. Yeah, feed her. She gotta feed that ass. Lord. Yeah, she can eat. Let her eat something.
Waffle House is closed. Waffle House is closed now.
Hey, they have managed to do to a Waffle House that I have never seen a tornado, a hurricane, a flood, any type of great disaster. Waffle House is always freaking open, but they was able to shut it down.
I'm telling you, again, I swear to God,
They still in that bitch chilling. Damn, okay, Yellow. I ain't see you was yammy too, shit. Yammy, there's a bunch of Tammys from Miami. I don't turn back around on her.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's going down. Motherfuckers drunk. They just came from the club. They feeling themselves.
I think everybody else is playing. Yeah. Go out there.
Who started it? I can't stand somebody that say some shit like that. If I don't get caught, I don't get caught. Where are they at? I didn't even see the name of that car. What is it, Atlanta? This happened in 2023, 2 years ago, 3 years ago. Who is that? Seminole County? Oh, this Florida. That Florida? That's gotta be Florida, right? Yeah, Seminole, that's Florida, right?
Hey, whoever this car is better open the
Who's driving this car?
I don't think they're gonna make our car.
Okay.
This one.
Anyone.
Is this your car?
Whose car?
That's a done deal right there.
They just outside chilling and shit. Y'all better take it. What?
You say your food's already done?
Yeah.
Where's the food? It was sitting inside. Why wouldn't you grab it when you came out?
Because they wouldn't allow us. Y'all told us to get out. We paid good money for the food.
Yankee 805 Hotel Zulu Y80586.
Put her in custody. What we're not gonna do
Dumb
is
ass.
Nah, man. Okay.
Dumbass.
Thank you.
Sometimes you just gotta know when to shut the fuck up.
Don't do it. I'm doing it. Man, come on.
What we're not gonna do is keep talking and playing with y'all. Nah, man.
Okay, just come on, man.
Go ahead in the car. Listen. Y'all go ahead in the car. Let me ask. If they say no, that's what it is. I can't force it. Y'all go ahead in the car.
Anybody else?
Y'all go ahead in the car. Go ahead in the car.
Chill out.
Go
Relax.
ahead in the car.
Because if not, you're gonna just start riding. Y'all grown, man. And I gotta tell y'all nothing 3 and 4 times.
We is grown. I told
Y'all go ahead in the car. Let me ask.
Grown people. It's much good.
That's not broken, is it?
Everybody that's going to cuss out their back start going. I'm tired of talking. I'm gonna give you 2 minutes time to go home.
What the fuck?
Yeah, that's broke.
No, man.
Who threw that?
I'm wrong.
the one y'all ain't got in hand.
You got
The one with the silver pants need to go, because that's who threw it. She wants to start out. Yeah, it wasn't the other one y'all got.
Got it. What did she break? She threw that right there, didn't she?
Oh.
I don't know. I'm counting. This is Sanford. I just so happen to be in the area. So. Just so happen to be over there. She threw the coffee container in the silver pants walking around.
Oh, the one we got?
No, she's still out there.
Okay.
She's still out there.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go.
We need to go.
Silver pants. She threw the whole coffee thing.
Oh, let's go.
Oh yeah. And y'all ass want to sit around and shit. Boy, I would have been gone so fast if I known I did some shit.
This one we're talking about? This one in block?
Just sitting around chilling, ain't got shit to do. I seen the cops go anyway, baby. I cleared out.
Silver pants, right there, talking to a meat there. She need to go.
2, 3, go ahead and take it.
Yeah.
Silver pants.
Young lady here's got to go. Hey, do it, baby. Go ahead and step back for a second.
Damn.
I'm not going to jail. I swear to God, I'm not going to jail. I'm not going to jail. Y'all got me fucked up, bro. I'm not going to jail. You tripping? I don't care.
Who else is involved that's out here right now?
I'm not going to jail. I'm not
That's
going
it.
to jail.
Yep, she's laughing when I threw
I
something.
don't care, bro. Y'all, I swear to God, on my baby head, y'all want to come with it because I'm not going to jail. On me, I'm not. You tripping, bro? No, I'm not.
There's about 6 cops out there. I don't know if you want to play them type of games.
I'm not going to jail. I don't give a fuck. I'm not going to jail. I'm telling y'all. I'm telling y'all.
Be a great witness.
On my baby head,
Da, 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 da. They just made me think about Daddy off of Friday After Next. How I look, Daddy? Like a snitch? Look like you about to go tell us about it right now.
I said it was gonna happen.
I know, that's why shit back up.
Alright. I need me a second one for tonight.
1 too many drinks.
They closed. Hey, do we got an age for her at least? Make sure she's not a juvenile out here wilding. 18? Good to go.
As a result, 3 individuals were taken into custody and charged with resisting violence and disorderly affray.
Dumbass.
Did the officers handle this situation the right way?
Yeah, they
Share your
did.
thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. That's it, baby. We out.